Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove dark mode in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show remove dark mode. Now, open your Chrome browser into the new tab. Now, search bar from click. Now, type from the night mode. Now for enter in the search. Now select from the dark mode Chrome web store. Then we show remove from a Chrome. Now for click. Now click for a again for remove. That is. Now back to the Google Sheets. Now reload your page. That's it. Then we show remove dark mode in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for